If you've ever opened a Microsoft Word document and found an extra blank page that just will not go away, you are definitely not alone. Blank pages can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to clean up a report, assignment, resume, or business document before sharing or printing it. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to delete blank pages in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful Word tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your document in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, look at the top ribbon and click on the View tab. This tab gives you different ways to see and organize your document, which is especially helpful when you're trying to locate pages that are hard to spot. After that, find the Navigation Pane option and check the box next to it. As soon as the Navigation Pane opens, you'll see a panel appear on the left side of Word. This is one of the easiest ways to find blank pages because it shows a visual map of your document. Now click on Pages in that left-hand pane. Word will display thumbnails of every page in your document, including the blank one. Take a moment to look through the page thumbnails and find the blank page you want to remove. Once you spot it, click on that blank page thumbnail to select it. This helps Word jump directly to that section of the document so you can deal with the extra page instead of searching manually through the entire file. Now that the blank page is selected, press delete on your keyboard. In many cases, this is enough to remove the page right away. If the page doesn't disappear immediately, press delete again until the blank page is removed. Sometimes blank pages are caused by extra paragraph marks, page breaks, or hidden formatting, so a second delete can help clear it out. If you're still seeing the page after deleting, don't panic. Scroll back through the document and check whether there is extra spacing, a page break, or a final paragraph mark creating that empty page. In Word, even a tiny bit of hidden formatting can create a full blank page at the end of a document. But for most situations, using the Navigation Pane and deleting the page thumbnail is the fastest method. This method is especially useful if you're working on longer documents because it saves time and makes the cleanup process much easier. Instead of clicking endlessly through the file or guessing where the blank page is coming from, you can use Word's built-in page view to target the problem directly. So let's quickly recap. Open the View tab, turn on the Navigation Pane, click Pages, select the blank page thumbnail, and press Delete until it disappears. That's the simple process for removing blank pages in Microsoft Word. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. And if you want, check out more Microsoft Word guides on the channel to make your document editing even faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.